Hey guys, Shadow here. Say hi, I'm Scott.
I am Scott.
Yeah, and we're doing a custom game, deathmatch. Yes, man. Don't say no. I know you hate deathmatch.
Yay, teams.
Yes. No nodes, no vehicles, limited ammo, small weapons.
Yes, ammo. You have any ammo? No ammo.
Unlimited ammo. No limit. Wait. Let's just make this 5 minutes. Wait, only 3 weapons. Rocket tube, the N60 Storm, and the flux rifle. Okay, come on.
Alright.
What the hell was I just doing? Oh yeah, we're not in the room doing anything inappropriate.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, I agree with you, Scott. That's fucked up. And my mum's playing music downstairs. And Scott is just dancing.
I'm right up here. But how do I get out?
Okay, camera.
Can you tell me how you get out?
First person.
How you
You have to. You stuck up there. You got the best place in the game, man.
Yeah, but there's no way out.
Yeah, so you still got the best place in the game.
No one can't get up here.
No, no one can get down either. So technically it's a 50-50.
There you are.
No, it's not me. It's not me.
There it is.
Alright. You have no proof. No, that's not me. That's not me. Haha, you missed me. Missed me, sucker.
Can't get up here.
Ow. It's not me, sucker. See you, sucker.
I know.
Haha. Well, you missed me. Fire!
Wait!
You fell for the fake fire trick.
I'm still up here.
Hell.
Oh crap.
You're not allowed to look at my screen, remember, you idiot. What the? How did I miss?
It's how you miss.
What the hell? Boom! Headshot! Headshot.
Why it doesn't go for? Oh crap.
Hey!
No, you bitch!
Haha, you missed me. Missed me, sucker. How? How did you do that? I've had more experience than him, but I'm dying more. He's killed me twice, or 3 times.
You gonna get me?
No, he's killed me once. Wait, twice. Wait, no times. I died 2 times. Oh! Huh?
There you are.
Once again, you're not allowed to look at my screen because you're dumb. Headshot!
It's coming.
And it disappeared.
How come?
Because it's dumb.
I don't know where to go now. But next, can we be in team?
Fine. We only have 2 minutes of this game left.
2 minutes.
Yeah. Sorry, I got a frog in my throat.
Frog.
Yes, it's a figure of speech. Where are you?
Oh, I thought you was up there. Are you here?
Aha, I know where you are.
Where?
Oh yeah, and by the way, on this game there's unlimited ammo.
Hello, it's coming. How did you shoot that? Yeah, cool, but what's it?
Headshot. Okay. 50 seconds remaining.
Hello. Oh.
Darn it, you found me. Ow. Bitch. "30 seconds remaining." I killed you 4 times. Wait, yeah, 4 times. You've killed me once. Wait, no. No times. I escaped all your attacks. Where are you? I'm like here somewhere. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Time's up. Looks like I won.
Yes, you have.
Let's see the results. Okay. Results. Player 1, which is me, kills 4. Deaths 1. Player 2, which is Scott, kills 0. Deaths 5. Yeah! I won! I did it! Yes!
And I killed you once.
No, you didn't.
Oh, yeah.
I fell off the side, remember?
And I killed you once.
No, you didn't. I've died once.
Oh.
I
Okay.
killed you 4 times. And you died once.
Okay, miss.
Okay, see you guys. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. As you know, this was made by a webcam. So I couldn't really zoom in. See ya. Say bye, Scott.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.